GoMix C2TE Tile Adhesive Standard Application Tutorial. Tools Preparation. Prepare the necessary tools before construction to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Substrate cleaning. First, check whether there is any hollowness or looseness on the wall surface. 4. Uneven substrates. Sanding or repairing with mortar is required in advance. Ensure the entire working surface is firm and flat. Next, clean the substrate thoroughly. There must be no dust, resin, oil stains, etc. Pre-wet. The dry substrate application can only proceed when there is no visible water. Step 2. Applying primer and tile bond primer. GoMix S9 Concrete Single Component Primer can be applied immediately after opening the lid. GoMix S11 2-component waterproof primer. When mixing, the liquid emulsion must be poured first. Then pour the powder material. Stir thoroughly until there are no lumps before use. When painting, apply evenly from top to bottom. Ensure 100% of the entire working surface is coated, no missing coats. The primer needs to dry completely for 24 hours. Tiling is prohibited before it is completely dry. Next, treat the tiles. Clean the tiles first. Conduct a water test on low water absorption tiles first. Oily tiles require the removal of release agents before use. Then brush GoMix S8 Tile Bond Primer evenly on the back of the tiles. Large tiles and heavy tiles require the application of the 2-component primer. Ensure 100% coverage. The tile bond primer must dry completely and form a film before tiling. Step 3. Slurry mixing. Next, mix the C2TE tile adhesive. The mixing order is very important. Water must be poured first, then add the powder material. Mix according to the powder-to-water ratio of 1:4. Then stir thoroughly with an electric mixer. Stir until there are no powder particles and it reaches a uniform mortar state. Step 4. Tiling application. According to the flatness of the wall surface and the specification size of the tiles, choose a suitable notched trowel. Adopt the standard manual double-sided adhesive buttering process. Apply the mortar evenly on the working surface and the back of the tiles. This can maximize the firmness of the bonding and avoid hollowness. Paste the tiles, knead, press, and knock to level. Fix the tile levelers. Ensure flatness, then use a tile vibrator to vibrate and level. Ensure the tiles are pasted firmly and flatly. Step 5. Tile grouting. After tiling is finished, wait for the tile adhesive to dry completely before starting grouting. First, clean all the residual impurities in the tile joints thoroughly. The mixing of the grout is the same. Pour water first, then add the powder material. Stir into a uniform paste without powder particles. For narrow joints, mix according to the powder-to-water ratio of 0.31 to 0.33. For wide joints, mix according to the powder-to-water ratio of 0.22 to 0.4. When grouting, press the grout into the joints along the diagonal direction. It must be pressed tightly. Scrape off the excess grout after filling. After the grout has dried and hardened slightly, just wipe the tile surface clean with a slightly damp sponge. Effect display. The above is the complete whole application process of GoMix C2TE tile adhesive. GoMix's full series of tile adhesives and supporting products can meet the application needs of different scenarios, helping you build a firm and flat tiling effect.